Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Mitsubishi Outlander key battery. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, often used for eyeglasses, and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple process will restore your key's functionality quickly. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of which way the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Once closed, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to ensure everything works correctly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This quick fix saves you time and money.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.